got it. Yeah. That's perfect.
Is that okay? You don't want to get closer?
Yes. That's it.
Just a little bit.
Alright, so F59 feels. I'll just tilt it that way because it's quicker. There you go.